Hello everyone, myself Shreya. I'm a student of Rightsight Education Team 1 and today I'm in Lillian Park. It is in Golamari and I like this park because here is too much trees and its natural beauty is just wow, and it's beside a river, but the river is too much dirty and that's why here smell is too bad. But the outside is good because here is many kinds of flowers, but they decorated it with some lights. That's why the flowers looks like colorful. And look, here is a big tiger. And it's just called Royal Bengal Tiger, and it's the proud of our Bangladesh. And then here's many kinds of rides for the kids. And look, here is a car that is my brother is driving this car, and it's a really wonderful place. If you wanna exercise here, you can go for a morning walk also because the area is big and it is also clean. That's why you can exercise properly. So that's it. Tata, bye bye. See you later.